Hello everyone, this is Baljit from JK. Welcome on my channel. Today I'm going to make a quick video about how to reduce any video file size without losing quality. Quality will be stay same. You can reduce video file size almost half. Now let's start. For this one we are going to download one of the software application is called Handbrake. I will leave a link in description, so you just copy and paste or just double click on the link. It will open on this window. Over here you can download software according to your computer. You're on a MacBook, PC. I'm on a MacBook. I'm going to install this one. It will be DMG file. I will click on this red download icon. It says download. As soon as we double click, it will start downloading. File size is really small. It will take a couple seconds. You just simply double click it to download, or you can go and download folder and open it. It will start installing quick. Take a couple seconds to install. Now you can start using like that, or you can copy and paste this application in your application folder for future use. So you don't need to install each time. You just simply go to your launchpad and open it. Now I'm in my application folder. I just drag and drop here. It's going to be copy and paste in my application folder. Once I done this one, now I can click on launchpad where we have all the application on MacBook. On Windows or PC will be simple. Now I will double click on a Handbrake application. As soon as I open, it's asking me the file to open, the one I want to reduce size. I have on desktop. I will simply choose that file, open, and all the settings are already general settings, but if you want to change whatever the size format you want to, you can change. It's 1080p 30 frames per second, and it is going to be output MP4. I have a file here. If I check information, this file size is about 61 MB. Now we are going to reduce and see what size coming out. Over here, save as, where we are going to save as. You can change location, you can change file name. I just change my file name to RE-disk, and I'm choosing desktop, so I'm going to reduce this file size and save as on my desktop. Now I simply click on top of the start button. I will click on start. It will take a couple seconds according to your video file size. If your video file is bigger, then it will take maybe a couple minutes. Now in desktop it's going to be processed. I'm waiting. It has to be processed 100%. As soon as 100%, we will be able to check that video file size. Couple more seconds, almost 99, 100%. Now our video is already progress. It's reduced file size. Now we will check a size side by side. Top one is original. Let's check get information. This one is 61 some MB, and this one reduced file size is 28 MB. So less than half. So it's reduced half size. Now we can check quality too. I'm going to play a video one by one. Let's lower the volume, so we don't need a volume. We are just going to focus on video quality. It doesn't change anything on audio. So this one is original video. These videos are made with the Samsung S10e or Samsung 10e, and this one is reduced file size. So for me, I haven't seen any change, same quality but half of the size. That's the way you can reduce any video file size to half. That's all for today. Thank you for watching. If you like my video, please like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video with a new topic.